It's a new morning and you're excited for the day. You wake up and look outside to see what the weather is like. Unfortunately, it's your deepest, darkest fear. Rain day. Here are 5 things you can do on a rainy day without electronics. After staring out the window for a while, you might realize that it's time to do something. So number 1, read a book, but not just any book. Make sure it's about all the things you wish you could be doing outside right now. Number 2, once you're so sick of reading you can't stand it anymore, why don't you try to use the creative side of your brain instead? Don't forget to draw something nice for that special someone. To go along with that beautiful picture, why don't you write a letter to that special someone? Unless you're like me and realize you have no special someone. If at this point you're too depressed to go on to number 4, just go stare out the window some more. It has been scientifically proven that rainy days help to alleviate depression. Number 4, once the rain has cheered you up, it's time for some board games. Number 5, after that terrible beatdown, there's only one thing left to do. Go curl up in the fetal position and listen to the sound of the rain as you cry yourself to sleep. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that little, I guess, skit. It was rainy today and we're supposed to be working, but what we're doing, we have to be outside with power tools and stuff, so we can't really do it in the rain. And so we're waiting until it stops raining, and so I decided to do this. I hope you guys enjoyed. It's really not that hard to have fun even on rainy days. I know this is kind of like making fun of some of that stuff, but I hope when it's rainy you guys still find stuff to do, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. I think it's supposed to clear up here pretty soon and then we'll get on with the day, but until then, you guys have a great day. We'll see you next time. Peace out.